Have you ever had to build a kitchen from scratch? In Portuguese? Today we'll do just that. Step by step, you'll learn some essential Brazilian Portuguese kitchen vocabulary, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and catch up on the lessons you have missed. Olá pessoal, today's lesson was suggested by a subscriber. Thank you very much. And keep those ideas coming. And if you feel more challenged, send me a video next time with your lesson suggestion. I'm talking to everybody now, huh? Well, let's begin. Let's imagine an empty room. Nothing but walls, a floor, and lots of imagination. So here we have the kitchen. A cozinha. Repeat. A cozinha. A cozinha. The floor. O piso. O piso. In Brazil, most kitchens have ceramic flooring. O piso de cerâmica. O piso de cerâmica. And most kitchens have tiles on the walls. Azulejos. Azulejos. There we have the sink, a pia, the faucet, a torneira. Does your kitchen have ceramic flooring? A sua cozinha tem piso de cerâmica? A sua cozinha tem piso de cerâmica? Tell me in the comments below. Time to make this space functional. Yes, without furniture, we can't do much, can we? So let's begin with cabinet. O armário. O armário. Counter. O balcão. O balcão. Countertop. A bancada. A bancada. Drawer. A gaveta. A gaveta. Shelf. A prateleira. A prateleira. Table. A mesa. A mesa. Chair. A cadeira. A cadeira. Tablecloth. A toalha de mesa. A toalha de mesa. Fruit bowl. A fruteira. A fruteira. Now our kitchen is coming to life. Let's bring in the appliances. Os eletrodomésticos. Os eletrodomésticos. So the first one is refrigerator. A geladeira. A geladeira. Freezer. O congelador. O congelador. Kitchens may have a stove, o fogão, or a cooktop, o cooktop. Some kitchens may have an exhaust fan, o exaustor, or a hood, a coifa. Now we have the oven, o forno, the microwave oven, o forno de micro-ondas, or simply o micro-ondas. Coffee maker, a cafeteira. cafeteira, a cafeteira. Stand mixer, a batedeira, a batedeira. Toaster, a torradeira, a torradeira. Blender, o liquidificador, o liquidificador. Well, not every Brazilian household has a dishwasher. A máquina de lavar louça. A máquina de lavar louça. Many people wash their dishes by hand. Yeah? Which of these appliances do you use every day? Tell me in the comments below. Now, time to cook. Time to cook. Let's see some tools we use to prepare meals. For example, pot. A panela. A panela. Oh, pressure cooker. A panela de pressão. A panela de pressão. Frying pan. A frigideira. A frigideira. Baking tray. A assadeira. A assadeira. Cutting board. A tábua de corte. A tábua de corte. Wooden spoon. A colher de pau. A colher de pau. Ladle. A concha. A concha. Spátula. A espátula. A espátula. Colander. O escorredor de macarrão. O escorredor de macarrão. Grater. O ralador. O ralador. Spaghetti server. O pegador de macarrão. O pegador de macarrão. Orange squeezer. O espremedor de laranja. O espremedor de laranja. Lemon squeezer. O espremedor de limão. O espremedor de limão. Garlic press. O espremedor de alho. O espremedor de alho. Can opener. O abridor de latas. O abridor de latas. Bottle opener. O abridor de garrafas. O abridor de garrafas. Corkscrew. O saca-rolhas. O saca-rolhas. Kettle. A chaleira. A chaleira. Teapot. O bule. O bule. Coffee strainer. O coador de café. O coador de café. Coffee thermos. Thermos. A garrafa térmica. A garrafa térmica. Which kitchen tool can't you live without? Qual utensílio de cozinha você não consegue viver sem? Cafeteira, espremedor de laranja. Time to serve. Everything's ready. Let's eat. So here's the vocabulary for setting the table and serving food. For example, plate. O prato. O prato. Glass. O copo. O copo. Now, wine glass or flute. A taça, a taça. Cup, a xícara, a xícara. Saucer, o pires, o pires. Mug, a caneca, a caneca. Bowl, a tigela, a tigela. Now the cutlery, os talheres, os talheres. Fork, o garfo, o garfo. Knife, a faca, a faca. Spoon, a colher, a colher. Placemat, o jogo americano, o jogo americano. I'll leave below the link to a fun lesson on words in Portuguese. You'll never guess what they mean. O jogo americano. Next, napkin, o guardanapo, o guardanapo. Salt shaker, o saleiro, o saleiro. Sugar bowl, o açucareiro, o açucareiro. After eating, it's cleaning time. Yes, but first, if this vocabulary is useful for you, hit the like button to support us. Thank you very much. Now, let's learn how to talk about kitchen cleaning items in Portuguese. So first, we have the apron, o avental, o avental. Sponge, a esponja, a esponja. Dish soap, o detergente, o detergente. Dish towel, o pano de prato, o pano de prato. Dish rack, o escorredor de louça, o escorredor de louça. Trash can, a lixeira, a lixeira. Almost no kitchens in Brazil have a garbage disposal system in the sink. O triturador de alimentos, o triturador de alimentos. But nearly all kitchens in Brazil have a small squeegee to dry the sink after washing the dishes. O rodinho de pia, or simply o rodinho. O rodinho. Now that you have put together this kitchen, you're ready to use this vocabulary in your everyday life, or even ask for help when setting up your own kitchen in Portuguese. And click here to play a guessing game to reveal some other parts of the house. Yes, I believe you'll enjoy that lesson. Thank you very much for watching another lesson. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau.